Chapter 5. The Layers of the Earth. Our Earth is a wonderful planet. It provides for all our needs and supports life. The Earth can be divided into 4 layers. These are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the layer on which we live. The Earth can be divided into 3 parts. The innermost part is called the core, the middle part is called the mantle, and the outermost part is called the crust. The lithosphere consists of the crust and the thin upper layer of the mantle. The lithosphere is solid in nature with an average thickness of about 100 kilometers. The lithosphere is uneven and has landforms like plains, mountains, and deserts. The lithosphere is always in contest motion as it stands on tectonic plates. This movement of the tectonic plates is responsible for geological phenomena such as earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Atmosphere. It is the layer where the various gases which are essential for life exist. Our atmosphere absorbs the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. It keeps the earth warm by retaining the sun's heat and saves us from extreme variations between day and night temperatures. Our atmosphere is composed of many types of gases as shown in the picture. Earlier, oxygen was absent from our atmosphere. As soon as the microorganisms such as viruses and bacteria evolved, they started converting carbon dioxide into oxygen, giving the present composition to our atmosphere. There are 5 layers in our atmosphere which are as follows. Layers, range, features. Troposphere, 0 to 18 km. This is the lowest layer. It lies closest to the Earth's surface. It is the warmest and contains 90% mass of the atmosphere. Stratosphere, 18 to 50 km. It contains the ozone layer which saves us from ultraviolet radiations of the sun. Aeroplanes fly in this layer. Mesosphere, 50 to 85 km. Layer where most meteors burn while entering our atmosphere. Thermosphere, 85 to 600 km. It is the hottest layer and the temperature in this layer can rise up to 1500 degrees Celsius. Exosphere extends up to 10,000 km. It is the uppermost layer of our atmosphere. Many weather satellites orbit in this layer. Hydrosphere. It is the total amount of water present on Earth in all the 3 forms, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Water covers 71% of the Earth's total surface in the form of oceans, seas, rivers, and other water bodies. Water is present in huge quantities at the poles in the form of solid ice. It also constitutes roughly 1% of the water vapor in the form of clouds and fog. The first life forms are believed to have evolved in water. Every life form on Earth is directly or indirectly dependent on the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere plays a very crucial role in regulating Earth's temperature climate. The amount of water present on Earth is believed to be constant since its formation. Water moves through the hydrosphere in a cycle. This cycle is called the water cycle. Biosphere. It consists of all the living things on our planet. From microorganisms to the giant whale, all living things are part of the biosphere. This is the sphere which interacts with all the other spheres and depends on them for survival. Scientists believe that between 3 million and 30 million species might exist on this Earth, but we have been able to identify only 1.3 million species till date. Although biosphere is smaller than all the other spheres of the Earth, yet it has been instrumental in bringing about changes in other spheres. The present atmosphere, for example, is a result of the chemical activities carried out by the living beings. The fossil fuel in the lithosphere is formed by the decomposition of the dead organisms. Our Earth has the most diverse conditions for supporting life. Everything that we have around us and all the resources that we use form our environment. The most unique thing about our environment is that it is not static. It is very dynamic. It consists of living and non-living elements. Our environment works in a strong interdependence with all the elements. Our environment provides for the basic needs like food, air, water, shelter, and suitable temperature to all living beings. However, human activities like cutting of forests and polluting river have increasingly harmed our environment.